A man said, Angel is broken. Ah, where? Broke how? Sick? Which part of my body will be sick? Me. I'm at the airport just a few days ago, Heathrow Airport. And in the first class lounge, I'm with my wife there, and a headache got to my head. So you understand what I'm saying later in a few minutes. I grabbed my wife's arm like this. I said, he took. My wife said, you took what again? I realized I'm talking things I don't even know what I'm saying. I said, you took it. My wife said, what is it?